The stitch is sewn with a single needle with 2 threads and forms a chain of looper thread on the wrong side of the fabric. This is a durable and flexible stitch used for seaming knit fabrics, attaching elastics, attaching bias tapes, etc. Thread one of the 3 needles and looper. Remove the needles not to be used. Turn off the power switch and disconnect it from the power supply when removing needles for the safety reason. Match the mark on the machine with the mark on the hand wheel. Raise the presser foot lifter. Remove the left needle thread. Insert the needle holder into the left needle. Loosen the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver. Remove the left needle. Partially tighten the needle clamp screw. Remove the center needle as well. So the chain stitch is same as triple cover stitch.